See, I'll tell you, there are basically four main models. Okay. And my focus is completely on the franchisors itself. That means business owners to franchisers. I don't deal with franchisees. You know why? Because I don't want to work for commissions. I'm very clear on that. I don't want to be an agent. I don't want to be a consultant where 99% in the industry are covered with. So there are a lot of more people that they can go to. But I want business owners to come to me if they want to build their own ecosystem. Tomorrow, I don't want them to be dependent even on me. That's the vision of this community. I want to build their own system, give it to them and tell them, carry the legacy and just make sure that you build a solid franchise business. This is my goal. So when I come to this, I focus mainly on franchises, and there are four different models the entrepreneurs can choose from. The first model is called COCO model. Okay, that is COCO. We call it as the company owned and the company operated. So as I told you, if you want to expand your business, you can do it by yourself. You can invest your money and start up different branches. And this will be called as the COCO model. That is, company will own it, plus company will operate it. The first one. Second one is going to be company owned and franchise operated. That means it's called COFO model, COFO. That means the company will own the stores, but they will not be able to run and do the operations. For example, right now I'm sitting in Bangalore. If I want to run a store somewhere in Hyderabad, for me, it's practically impossible as a company to run it. And I don't want to be dependent on employees to run it. So what I do is I will search for franchisees. I will tell them, see, look, I have a store in Hyderabad. You're located in Hyderabad. So I'm going to give you the store in charge. So the business, how much you make, I'm going to give you so much percentage as a profit. This becomes the COFO. The company invests, the franchise will only run it, but there is going to be a deposit that the company will collect as a security when they run it. Okay. And the third model is called FOCO model. That means the franchise will own it right now, but the company will operate. Just imagine now a person will come to me and say, Karthik, I'm very interested to start a preschool. Okay, so I want to start White Petals. So, but they tell that I have time to run it. I work in an MNC, I don't have time. So can you do it for me? I'm ready to invest the whatever 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs is that I will invest with that. And if you can run, then I'm okay to share the profit with you. So the profit can vary anything between 50-50 to 60-40, anything. It depends on both of them. So this here, the company will run the show, but the investment on the store is done by the franchisee. Okay. And the last one is called FOFO model. This is like the hero of the bunch. Okay. FOFO model is the more popular. For example, it is called franchise owned and franchise operated. That means a franchise will come to you. They'll take your brand. They will invest on the business. They will run the business. And what you need to do as a company is train them properly, show them how to sell the products, help them with the marketing, show them the processes, and make sure that you help them to increase their sales. So the company's role is very clear to make sure that they run the franchisee stores in the passive model, but the active involvement is going to be the franchisee. So this is the most popular, the FOFO model. 60% in the industry go for a FOFO model. So if you're in the restaurant space or any other space, I think FOFO model is the model that you will focus on. It's like franchise owned and franchise operated. And this gives a lot of freedom to the company, and the scalability is massive here. I, as a company, can manage even 500 franchisees with the same kind of effort by just organizing a system. But practically, I cannot run 500 branches myself. So that is the biggest advantage in the FOFO model. These are the four different models that exist.